Want to replace the control panel of your extractor hood? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a new control panel. Step 1. Remove the grease filters. Unclip them, lower them and remove them from the extractor hood. Step 2. Remove the old control panel. Loosen the control panel screws and remove the module from the extractor hood. Next, remove the screws from the housing. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pop open the housing. Disconnect all cables and remove the control panel completely. Step 3. Insert the new control panel. Connect all cables in the right place and place the control panel back into the housing. Screw the housing back on and place the control panel back in its place in the extractor hood. Step 4. Replace the grease filters. Replace the grease filters and snap them in place. You have replaced the control panel and the extractor hood is ready to use again.